YouTube user Stainsby Flowin presents
Aussie Flying Ace.
Yeah, no, how you going? So I was on the internet and I heard about this thing called affirmative action you have over there in America. And, you know, it got me thinking. I don't mean to make a joke of a serious thing or nothing, but, you know, we should have a bit more affirmative action on some other things. And one of the things I was thinking was, what about some of the car safety standards? You know, there's some really down and out there, you know, companies that are trying to make cars, you know, for people, and you know, they're restricted by these, you know, oppressive safety standards that don't allow them to prosper to their full potential, because they, you know, have to spend all this unnecessary, you know, stuff on safety gadgets that need to comply with this code that's enforced by the same car companies that have been around and own patents on this sort of technology. So, you know, it's all a big conspiracy working against the little companies. So, you know, we need to lower the standards for the safety standards so we can have some of these car companies, you know, have a better chance, because the auto industries are going down all over the world. I mean, some are doing all right, but you know, that's the ones you got to look, you know, down the rabbit hole and see what's really going on, eh? So, you know, just a quick video today, July the 8th, yeah, today, 1994, random fact, eh? Go back to 94. Were you even born then? I was a kid then. Geez, I don't really remember this, but Kim Jong-il, you might remember Kim Jong-il, he's dead now, but he used to be, on this day in July 8th, he began his to assume his supreme leadership. It's pretty serious stuff over there, so I might leave that one a bit freer, Jake. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you already don't, and share it on your social media so people see more, and see you around like a Risso.
If you like and subscribe, I'll make better videos.